I will just switch on. Okay, see here the SIM card is flashing, means we don't insert the SIM card, and it don't have the GSM signal. And now we are going to insert the SIM card. Here, this one. Please hold a sec. Okay, here it shows GSM signal and SIM card, means it's right. It has signal and it can make phone call and SMS messages. Please notice this. Okay, now I'll show you how to connect the phone with the alarm panel. Okay. And this is our remote control, and this is the door sensor. Okay.
Set 0701. Add remote control 1. Add successful. Set successful.
Okay. And then door sensor.
Set 0901. Add 10. Add successful.
Okay.
Set successful.
And then we add the phone number and SMS messages number.
Set 311828065233. Group 1 is 18328065233. Set successful.
And this is the phone number, and then we set the SMS messages number.
Set 411828065233. Group 1 is 18328065233. Set successful.
Okay. And then let me show you how it works. When I on and I trigger the door sensor, and this is my phone. Look, this is the it has messages here, this one. Okay, the phone call is coming and we pick it up. And press, and this is arming, and we press 2. It's disarming. Oh, that's all.